Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your disabled Facebook account. To recover a disabled Facebook account, the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and submit an appeal through the official help. When you open your Facebook, when it is disabled, there will be a little prompt or a little pop-up window that is going to say appeal. Simply go ahead and submit that. And if that also doesn't work, what you can do is simply go ahead and try to understand about the 180-day limit. So it's normally a 180-day limit that you can simply go ahead and submit an appeal on. After this period, the account may be permanently disabled and unrecoverable. So it is as simple as that. Also check your email from Facebook. That might provide a direct link for your appeal. If you don't see appeal anywhere, that means that you can't recover your disabled Facebook account. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.